Hi born everyone. Today I'm with another cool unboxing. Today I have PSVR2 Horizon bundle. I was waiting for this headset for some time and I finally got it this morning, and I want to try out some games and do the unboxing immediately. And few of the things I'm looking forward in this headset are the haptic feedback on the controllers and also the feedback on the headset. So without any delay, let's get unboxing. So generally if I check the box design, it looks really cool, and the box itself has a good finish and all, and you can check out some information regarding the functionalities and how to set it up in the box. There are also information regarding the contents that's inside the box. So it also say like it requires a PS5. As for the game, it says like it's inside as a voucher code download, and it doesn't include any disc. So let's open the box up and see what's inside. Okay. You have one box here. Let's see what's inside the box. Here you have the download code and everything. The other side of the card, it has a code, so you have to scratch it and then get the code, and there are some instructions how to use it. So here we have a USB to Type-C cable. Here you have a earplugs. I think you can attach this to the headset. There are some extra pieces in here, so it's like you can just attach it to the headset. This is the audio jack. There is instruction manual. Here they have information how to set it up, and there are like a lot of information here. I'm not gonna go through each one of it. So now I'm coming to the main headset and the controllers itself. Here I have the cable. It is attached to the headset itself, so I'm gonna unwrap it and see how it looks like and how it feels like. The headset itself is in good quality, and the rubber is really smooth, and you have like 4 front cameras. Here you have some adjustments. You can adjust the I'm not really sure what it's for. I'm gonna check it later. The plastic itself is really good. Let me take the headset and see how to plug it. So it seems it's good and it fit really well to my head, so I kind of like it. Okay, let me check out the controllers. Actually, I was really worried about the controllers having this kind of shape, because it's gonna like hard to put it, like hard to use it or something. The controller itself is kind of small if I'm considering the front part. So the buttons are here, and the thumbstick also a little bit smaller, but it is manageable. So you have the triggers. Is this the right hand? No. Yeah, this is the right hand. So the only way you can figure out like whether which side is this controller, whether it's left or right, you have to hold it, and then you're gonna find, like, let's say if I hold it like this, it's wrong because see, it's gonna touch this end. So I should, according to my feel, I'm gonna know whether it's left or right. Let me take the other controller. It also includes straps. So this is the charging port. So I believe the cable I just got from USB to Type-C is for charging. Yeah. See, if I do my rotation, my hand rotations, like let's say like this, then it's not problem. Like it's not touching my hand or it's not obstructing my movements. This side. But if I were to do it up, it's gonna touch my hand. But still, it's okay, like, because my hand won't move more than that. So it's kind of stopping the movement, but it's gonna be a bother, like if I were to play such a game, like I had to do this kind of movement, like, so it's gonna be problematic if I have a movement like this in my hands. So this is the end of my unboxing video. I hope you guys get to know what's inside the PlayStation VR2 Horizon bundle. I'm really want to try out the games and see how it feels like. Thank you for watching my video, and thanks for subscribing me, and also the comments and everything. So I'm really thankful and I'm really grateful for your guys' support and everything. So I'm gonna do a more unboxing video in the future. So subscribe my channel and follow my content, and I'll see you everyone in my next video.